Hi, I'm Tricia Dunlap, Managing Partner of Dunalp Law, a small business law firm in Richmond, Virginia. Here today to talk with you about small business bankruptcies. This is a tough subject and it's full of emotion for a lot of people. And as a small business owner myself, I completely understand. When you've been pouring your heart and soul into a business and you're slowly watching it fail, it is heartbreaking. But it's important to understand the two forms of business bankruptcy that could help you move on, whether that is a full liquidation or whether it's just a restructuring that allows you to keep operating. So listen in and we'll talk them through. Before we get to the substance of today's video, here's a quick announcement about an exciting innovation that we're launching at Dunalp Law. We're launching an exciting innovation called Learning Communities. It's targeted to micro and small business owners who think they can't afford legal counsel. Check out the link below and sign up for updates. Thanks. Now let's get into today's video. The first type of business bankruptcy that you might want to consider is called a Chapter 7 business bankruptcy. That is, unfortunately, a full liquidation. If your phone and email has been blowing up with demands from creditors and you need immediate relief and you see no real opportunity for your business to recover, then a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is perhaps the right choice for you. Chapter 7 results in a full liquidation of all of your business assets. After you file, you will get what's called an automatic stay, which means that all of the creditors that are hounding you have to immediately stop hounding you. So you will get immediate relief in that sense. After filing, the bankruptcy court will appoint a trustee whose role is to sell off the assets of your business and use the revenue from the sale of those assets to pay your creditors. Essentially, a Chapter 7 bankruptcy requires you to hand over the reins to your business so that the trustee can liquidate all of its assets and the business will be dissolved at the end of the day. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is sad and it's hard, but it may be the right choice. On the other hand, there's also the option of a Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Chapter 11 does not liquidate your business's assets. Chapter 11 actually allows you to retain control of the business and to continue operating it as what's known as a debtor in possession. So under a Chapter 11, you will essentially restructure your existing debts and payments and continue operating the business. Chapter 11 may be appropriate if perhaps you've got a new idea for the business and a new direction, a new twist that could put the business back on the right track and get you back to profitability. But maybe you need some time to bring that idea into the marketplace and to get it launched and operational. Chapter 11 also provides for the possibility of special loans for debtors in possession. Under Chapter 11, the bankruptcy court does not assign a trustee, so you get to decide what assets to sell and what assets to keep. Under a new law in February 2020 called Subchapter V, Chapter 11 bankruptcies for small businesses with less than $7.5 million in debt are now faster, cheaper, and more user-friendly. It's absolutely an option if you need to restructure your debt so that you can take advantage of a new business opportunity that you need some time in order to realize. Finally, there's the question of personally guaranteed debts. We see it every day at Dunalp Law, where a business owner has used their personal credit in order to guarantee the debt that the business takes on. As the business begins to fail, creditors may come looking to the business owner, him or herself, in order to force the business owner to pay the debt that the business took on. If you have personally guaranteed a debt, whether it's a lease or perhaps a car payment or any other form of debt, then the creditor has a right to come after you personally to satisfy that debt. In that case, you may have to consider not only bankruptcy for your business, but also bankruptcy for yourself. At Dunalp Law, we're very proud to say that in January of 2021, Nisha Patel joined our firm as a partner. Nisha Patel was recently named by the American Bankruptcy Institute as a top 40 under 40 insolvency attorney nationwide. She's one of the youngest attorneys to ever win this honor from her peers. If you need help understanding bankruptcy and whether or not it's the right choice for your business, Nisha Patel is one of the best people you can possibly turn to in the United States. We hope you'll give us a call and talk to Nisha about whether bankruptcy is right for your business. If this video has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.